World's Guide.
Space travel, past, present, and future. The space age began with the launch of Sputnik 1 by the Soviet Union in 1957. Yuri Gagarin became the first human in space in 1961. The Apollo 11 mission in 1969 landed the first humans on the Moon, with Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. The Space Shuttle program, initiated in 1981, enabled reusable spacecraft for Earth orbit missions. The International Space Station, ISS, has been continuously occupied since November 2000. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched in 1990, providing stunning images of the universe. The Voyager 1 and 2 probes, launched in 1977, have reached interstellar space. The Mars rovers, like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance, have explored the Martian surface. The Challenger and Columbia disasters in 1986 and 2003, respectively, led to temporary setbacks in space travel. The Cold War rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union drove much of early space exploration. Commercial companies like SpaceX, Blue Origin, and Virgin Galactic are reshaping the space industry. The ISS continues to serve as a platform for international scientific research. Robotic missions are exploring distant worlds, such as the Juno mission to Jupiter and the New Horizons mission to Pluto. China has become a major player in space travel, with its space station and lunar missions. The James Webb Space Telescope, JWST, is set to launch, promising new insights into the universe. Earth-observing satellites help monitor climate change and natural disasters. Astronauts from diverse backgrounds are participating in space missions. The concept of space tourism is becoming a reality, with several companies planning commercial spaceflights. SpaceX's Crew Dragon and Boeing CST-100 Starliner are the latest crewed spacecraft for NASA. Advances in 3D printing are revolutionizing space manufacturing. Mars is a major focus for future human exploration, with plans for crewed missions in the 2030s. Lunar bases and a sustainable presence on the Moon are being planned through programs like NASA's Artemis. Space mining for resources like water and precious metals may become a reality. Advancements in propulsion technology, such as nuclear propulsion, could speed up interplanetary travel. Space habitats, like O'Neill cylinders or Stanford tori, may be constructed for long-term human habitation. The search for extraterrestrial life continues, with missions to Europa, Enceladus, and other promising locations. Space telescopes beyond JWST may be launched to study exoplanets and the early universe. AI and automation will play a significant role in future space missions. Space traffic management becomes crucial to prevent collisions and debris buildup in orbit. International collaboration in space exploration remains vital, with the potential for joint Mars missions. Radiation exposure is a major health concern for long-duration space missions. Psychological challenges of isolation and confinement during deep space travel. Sustainable life support systems are needed for extended missions. Space debris poses a growing threat to spacecraft and satellites. The high cost of space travel remains a barrier to broader participation. Environmental impacts of rocket launches are a concern. Legal and ethical questions surround space resource utilization and ownership. Space weather and solar flares can endanger astronauts and spacecraft. The long-term effects of microgravity on human health are still not fully understood. Political and geopolitical tensions can impact international space cooperation. Space-based solar power could provide clean energy to Earth. In situ resource utilization, ISRU, could reduce the cost of space missions. Space tourism could open up new economic opportunities in orbit. Space telescopes offer unparalleled views of the cosmos. Advances in propulsion could make interstellar travel feasible in the distant future. Space exploration inspires STEM education and innovation. Space agencies and private companies are working together on joint missions. Space provides a unique platform for international diplomacy and cooperation. The discovery of new resources in space could address resource shortages on Earth. Space travel has the potential to unite humanity in the quest for knowledge and exploration beyond our home planet. Space travel continues to be a dynamic and evolving field, with exciting prospects and challenges on the horizon.
World's Guide